Terragene presents the new PCD110, a high-level process challenge device for ethylene oxide sterilization. Designed for the release of ethylene oxide sterilized loads for routine control and periodic validations of the sterilizer after installation, repair, or relocation. Ideal for use in healthcare, food, and pharmaceutical industries. Inside the PCD110, you will find one rapid biological indicator BT110 containing a carrier with bacterial spores and a glass ampoule with a growth indicator medium. On its outside label, the BI includes a chemical indicator that changes color when exposed to ethylene oxide. The PCD110 also includes its very own chemical indicator CD17 on the outside PET surface. Inside the sterilizer, the PCD110 will challenge the path and arrival of the sterilizing agent through a complex trail until it reaches the biological indicator and the spore population inside. On its outer side, the CD17 chemical indicator will turn orange after exposure, while the chemical indicator on the BI will turn green. To finish the process, the biological indicator must read on a BioNova auto reader for 4 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. The results can be monitored, stored, and managed with BioNova Cloud. Optionally, you can have a visual confirmation of the result by observing a color change of the growth medium due to a pH change after 48 hours of incubation on a non-fluorescent incubator at the same temperature. For more information, visit terragene.com/kpcd110.